What's good? What's good? And welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're gonna hop into Dent, guys. We're trending towards a double bottom. It's a little bit bearish, but it's bullish if you zoom out and you look at the weekly chart, which is what I'm gonna show you guys. So we're gonna watch a little quick video on their Twitter, and then we'll hop into the technical analysis. Guys, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So currently we're up down 5% on the day, basically 6%, and on the 7-day we're down almost 30%. So market cap 788 million, and a 24-hour volume is quite low, 90 million. So let's quickly pop over to the Twitter, and I'm just going to play this video for you guys that explains the Dent app. So education of new technology is key. This video will be a part of the upcoming Dent 4.0 app onboarding. So this is pretty cool, guys. So I'm just going to play it for you guys real quick.
Hello, my name is Sophia, and today
Hello.
I'll introduce you to Dent, the world's first digital and global mobile operator offering worldwide connectivity for eSIM-capable devices. You likely have a SIM card from a local carrier in your device. With the Dent app, you can quickly install an electronic SIM card and have a second mobile data connection, while you can still receive and make calls on your local operator. With a variety of worldwide data plans available, Dent eSIM is great for when you're traveling or need additional data at home. As you can switch between Dent and your local carrier, you can always choose your current data provider according to your preference. For example, you can use Dent as your provider while abroad and switch back to your local operator when you're back home. Mobile data as you know it, but without roaming fees or SIM card changes. Are you ready to get started?
Dent is changing the game. I'm a big believer in Dent. I absolutely love the project. I think it's going to be massive in the cell phone world and in the crypto world with data, especially when you're traveling. Like, getting data is such a pain. So Dent, they're going to change the game. All right, let's hop into the technical analysis for Dent. So guys, we're here on the 4-hour chart for Dent, and you can see here we're finding resistance on the 20 EMA, this yellow line, and that's extremely bearish, guys. It's pushing. Now, don't get too worried, because I'll explain everything a bit later how it's bullish. So it's pushing the price down, and we're starting to trend towards a double bottom here. Now, here's your double bottom. So a double bottom looks like a W, and you can zoom out and you can see it on the weekly. You can see double bottoms on the hourly. You can see double bottoms all over the chart, and we're forming a huge one here. So here's your left side of the W. Here's your first bottom, and then you come up and you come back down to form your double bottom, which means Dent has the potential to come down to this price target here. So Dent can very likely come down to this price target here of 0.004. Now, it might not make it all the way down there for the double bottom. If we look at it on the daily, honestly though, I definitely feel like it is, because even on the daily, look guys, we've lost the 20 EMA, we've lost the 50 EMA, and we're trending downwards, which makes me think that we're going to come down and make a double bottom. Now, maybe we'll find support in this area at 0.007 and not make it all the way down to the bottom of this wick here at 0.004, but we do have to find a level of support, and it definitely looks like it's coming down for that double bottom. We've lost the EMAs, guys. That's bearish, pushing the price down towards the double bottom. Now guys, it's not to worry, so I'm going to show you guys Dent on the weekly. So we're right here on the weekly chart for Dent. Now guys, I'm gonna zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out to the beginning of the bull run for Dent. So the signal of the beginning of the bull run is when you see the bullish cross of the 20 over the 50 EMA on the weekly chart, guys. So you zoom out to the weekly chart, and we're here with Dent in January, and you see the yellow line coming over the 50 right here. That's your signal that it's the beginning of the bull run for Dent. And it's not the end of the bull run until you start seeing this yellow line trend downwards and come underneath the 50 EMA. Did I say the signal line? I hope not. If it comes underneath the 50 EMA, then it's the end of the bull run for Dent. But you can see here on the weekly chart how Dent is healing. You see this massive pump, and now Dent is going through its correction. It's finding support again back on the 20 EMA. It's consolidating, could very well create that double bottom find support along the 20 EMA. Quite possibly could be at that 7 cent mark, because if we start coming down to 7 cents, our 20 EMA on the weekly is going to find support. Like, we're going to find support on the 20 EMA. We heal up and we start trending back upwards for Dent. So I'll quickly pop Dent open on the hourly chart so you guys can see here. So we can see here on the hourly chart, we've just completely lost the EMAs. We're bouncing off the 50. We're hitting the 50 as resistance. That's bearish, guys. When you start coming underneath the EMAs and hitting them on the head as resistance, that's pushing the price down. So it's very, very likely that we're going to at least come down to 7 cents, 0.007. And if we drop further, we could come all the way down for a double bottom. However, as I've been saying on the weekly chart, if we do come down, we're most likely going to find support on the 20 EMA, which is at about 7 cents. So I'm just going to pull this out for you guys to give you your price targets here for Dent. So once Dent consolidates and once it heals up and once Bitcoin corrects, you'll see a little something like this. We come down to 7 cents, we consolidate, and then you start having your next leg up, and we start heading to future price targets, guys. We break our high here at 0.022, then your next price target, your next price target for Dent is 0.027, and then you're looking at 0.033, and then we continue on our bull run, and we get to price targets like 0.069 and 0.088 cents for Dent during this bull run, and quite possibly much more. I see much more growth than just 8 cents for Dent. But if you were, let's say you take a position, you know, Dent's bottoming out, you want to take a position, or you want to average down for Dent. If you get in, if we hit that bottom at 7 cents and you take a position, you're looking at a gain of like 1,000%. So you're looking at a 10x for Dent if you were to take a position. Now, guys, Dent is a very strong project in my opinion. Mobile data. When you're traveling, you open up your Dent app and you're able to purchase data that you can use anywhere around the world. You don't have to go to a little phone shop. You don't have to buy a new SIM and put it in your computer or put it into your phone or into your laptop. All you have to do is use your Dent app. This is going to change the game. Every single person in this world has a cell phone. Basically almost everyone, and everyone wants data. Everyone needs data to be easily accessible. People who work online are constantly needing Wi-Fi or data, and the fact that Dent is doing this in the crypto space is revolutionary in my opinion, and I think they're going to be a juggernaut. And if you see it come down to 7 cents, I think that's an incredible buying opportunity. Sorry guys, not 7 cents, my dyslexia. 0.007, so not even 1 cent yet. 0.007, and you take a position, you're looking at an easy 10x in my opinion for Dent, because I think very likely we'll come up to that 8 cent mark. If we look here at the beginning of our bull run, we had one pump and then we had a correction, and we've gone through our second pump and we've had our correction, and then usually you're going to have your third wave, and then you have a correction, then you have your fourth wave, you have a correction, then you have your final fifth wave. So to think that we won't at least get to 8 cents, I think we will get to much, much more. You're looking at least a 10x, 1,000% gain for Dent. Just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. But if Dent comes down to 0.007, I'm definitely going to be taking a position. I already have a position, but I'm going to buy more Dent. And if it drops below that, it probably won't, because on the weekly we're starting to catch back up to the EMAs. Then I would even take a bigger position if we were to drop under 7. But I think 0.007 for sure we're coming down to allow ourselves to catch back up to the 20 EMA and then continue upwards for Dent. All right, that's it for Dent. I'm very bullish on Dent, big believer in the company, and I think it's very under the radar and undervalued currently, and it's a steal. I definitely think we could see a 10x at least. So that's it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, join the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.